Axie Infinity value equivalent to $5.9359 a coin. The present exchange cost range 5.86236.0465. The earlier day close 5.9319. The change was +0 as of +0 the 7%. Reverse rate Us to Ax. Axie Infinity figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.5054. Excessive cost 3.8962, while low cost 3.3864. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.6073. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 3.6413. Change for September 3rd. 9%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $3.6413. Excessive cost 3.6413, while low cost 2.8446. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.2965. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end 3.0587. Change for October 16.0%. Axie Infinity estimate for November 2024. To start with cost at $3.0587. Exorbitant cost 3.7111, while low cost 3.0587. The found the middle value of cost 3.3242. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end 3.4683. Change for November 13th. 4%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $3.4683. Exorbitant cost 4.3048, while low cost 3.4683. The found the middle value of cost 3.8162. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end 4.0232. Change for December 16th. 0%. Axie Infinity gauge for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $4.0232. Exorbitant cost 4.4770, while low cost 3.8912. The found the middle value of cost 4.1439. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end 4.1841. Change for January 4th. 0%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place, cost at $4.1841. Exorbitant cost 5.1934, while low cost 4.1841. The found the middle value of cost 4.6038. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end 4.8536. Change for February 16th. 0%. Axie Infinity estimate for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at $4.8536. Exorbitant cost 5.9814, while low cost 4.8536. The found the middle value of cost 5.3197. Axie Infinity cost estimate toward the month's end 5.5901. Change for spring 15.2%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $5.5901. Excessive cost 6.9384, while low cost 5.5901. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.1508. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.4845. Change for April 16th. 0%. Axie Infinity conjecture for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $6.4845. Exorbitant cost 6.9713, while low cost 6.0591. The found the middle value of cost 6.5075. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end 6.5152. Change for May 0.5%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $6.5152. Excessive cost 7.2501, while low cost 6.3015. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.7107. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.7758. Change for June 4th. 0%. Axie Infinity estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $6.7758. Excessive cost 7.3123, while low cost 6.3555. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.8194. Axie Infinity cost figured toward the month's end 6.8339. Change for July 0.9%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at $6.8339. Excessive cost $7.5531, while low cost $6.5649. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7.027. Axie Infinity cost figure toward the month's end $7.0590, change for August 3rd, 3%. Axie Infinity figure for September 2025. Before all else cost at $7.0590. Excessive cost $7.8034, while low cost $6.7824. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7.2344. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.2929, change for September 3rd, 3%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $7.2929. Excessive cost $7.9154, while low cost $6.8798. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7.3714. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.3976, change for October 1st, 4%. Axie Infinity conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at $7.3976. Excessive cost $7.3976, while low cost $6.0369. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6.8309. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.4913, change for November 12.3%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $6.4913. Excessive cost $6.4913, while low cost $5.2747. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5.9823. Axie Infinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.6717, change for December 12.6%. Axie Infinity conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at $5.6717. Exorbitant cost $7.0397, while low cost $5.6717. They found the middle value of cost $6.2406. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $6.5792, change for January 16th, 1%. Axie Infinity cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $6.5792. Exorbitant cost $6.5792, while low cost $5.2740. They found the middle value of cost $6.0259. Axie Infinity cost gauge toward the month's end $5.6710, change for February 13.8%. Axie Infinity gauge for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $5.6710. Excessive cost $5.6710, while low cost $4.4301. The arrived at the